Hello friends, so today gonna unboxing the tractor from Lesu. This is how it's coming in this big box. So need to take it out the box from this box. So it's coming with this box with two plastic strap. Take it out. We have the book. So I'm gonna put the camera close to see what is in the book. Let's check. So we have the light controller. She say like drive motor, steering servo, how it's differential servo, everything here, light control, how we can do it. It's coming with them. So this is the parts. I already buy it like painted, already painted, because the paint from Lesu is much better than my paint. So it's winter, I can't do the paint. Just thinking if this book have something to tell you how to put the brother cabin to this chassis from Lesu, but he's gonna see now. The servo, this should be all together. This is final part. Tires. So no, she not say how to put the rudder cabin. Yeah, it'll be gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna open. So this is have some parts here. So I'm gonna need two hands to take it out. So just a second. Now. Put here. Wanna leave it? So this is. Let's see the compare between these two. So let's see. The tires is the same size, just the model is different. The back tires the same. Gonna see all the details. So need to fix this here, the long bar from this axe servo. The suspension is moving with servo together. This paint is very nice. Tire is very hard. So this is the suspension. So let's see the rear. It's heavy. So this have a screw and you move it up and down. Have a servo for differential lock. The back axe, she don't have the suspension. It's nice paint. So let's see what we have inside. So inside we have some cable. Let's take it. I think it's too many cable for just the light. Power, shower, lights, power, lock, lights. Yeah, it's looking like, let's see. Have a sound. So this should be the light. This is the sound. But she don't say it's the sound, she says just the light board. I'm pretty sure this is the sound. But I will not leave it that one because I think it's very bad. But you don't have no speakers. So yeah, it's no speaker there. So you need to pay like 40 pounds just to give the speaker, and she gonna say she have the sound, but you already have. So I'm gonna find it some speaker to put to listen how good is. So this is the sound what I want to put on this tractor. I know the speaker is too big, but I'm gonna take it out from this box. And I think it's gonna be much better than this. So I'm gonna try to make a short video how this is gonna sound. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. So see you soon.